Welcome everybody. Today we've got V2 clutch. Came with the second generation Vamp. I've lost the V1 clutch. He could probably make it without an O-ring replacement, but I'm going to go ahead and do it anyway, mostly because I've been noticing all the screws in there are rusty, so I'm want to get those replaced while I still can, before that breaks down too far. Not this clutch, but the other one was actually the first Joe. Well, it was a tie between him and Grunt. It was the first Joe I ever got. I got the Vamp for my birthday one year, and I got Grunt on the same day. So it was like I say, they tied, being my first Joes. I don't remember which one I opened first, but I remember those were the two that I got that day. Because I was underwhelmed that one of them wasn't Flash. But I was still pretty happy with it. I got Flash pretty quick after that. Probably from birthday money, actually. That was a thing back then. We would get birthday money from our grandparents. Maybe with the head staying on. No, I don't think so. Yeah. You're on. This one came, the original Vamp, G.I. Joe's version of a Jeep, Humvee, I think. This might have been preliminary Humvee designs out there. I guess it had a little vague similarity to Humvees. The original one had an oscillating cannon, and you could had a little switch on the side, and the barrels would, like I say, oscillate against each other and make a what do you call it? Just a minor play effect. It's one of those things that I didn't realize till I'd had it for a while, and all of a sudden the barrels was offset from the other one. All right, just like that. 2 minutes, nice. I am getting better at that, and he was still wearing his helmet when I dug him out of storage, so that's about the only reason he's got his helmet. It actually fits pretty good on him. I noticed some of them it didn't seem to fit right, but I say he was the Jeep driver, not Jeep but Vamp, and the one thing I remember about him, supposedly he used motor oil to style his hair. Was one of the things they put on his info card. And that's just one of the things I just never forgot to think about that, because that just sounds really gross. But anyway, that's version 2 clutch. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from. And I'll see you next time.